POCO phone freezing, crashing, or running slow. A factory reset can fix software glitches and prep your phone for resale. In this video, you'll learn 5 easy ways to reset your POCO whether the screen works or not. Option 1. How to hard reset POCO via Mi PC Suite for older POCO. Get Mi PC Suite. https://pcsuite.me.com/. Enable USB debugging in developer options. Connect POCO to PC via USB. Open Mi PC Suite. Log in. Click Factory Reset or Wipe Data. Option 2. How do I factory reset my POCO? From Settings, go to Settings from the home screen. Scroll to System Advanced. Tap Reset Options. Erase all data. Factory reset. Select Reset Phone. Then tap Clear All to confirm. Your device will restart and return to factory settings. Option 3. How do I force a reset on POCO via recovery mode? Power off the device. Hold volume up plus power. Release power at POCO logo. Volume up at recovery mode. Use volume to select. Wipe data. Power to confirm. Select Wipe all data. Power. Choose Reboot or out to system. OK. Option 4. How to hard reset POCO without power button via ADB. Enable USB debugging on POCO. Install ADB. https://dl.google.com/android/repository/platform-tools-latest-windows.zip. Connect phone to PC via USB. Open CMD or terminal. Type ADB devices. If detected, type ADB reboot recovery. In recovery mode, use volume to select Wipe all data, confirm. Choose Reboot System Now to finish. Option 5. How to factory reset POCO phone on PC or Mac. Thorough Mi Eraser for Android is a powerful tool designed to permanently wipe all data from Android devices, including POCO phones. It goes beyond a standard factory reset by ensuring that erased data cannot be recovered by any means. Step 1. Download and install the Eraser software on your computer. This application will enable you to execute a hard reset by completely removing all data from your POCO phone. Connect your POCO phone to the computer using a USB cable, and if prompted, activate USB debugging. Step 2. Launch the software and adhere to the on-screen instructions to identify your connected device. Once it is recognized, select the Erase option. From the main menu, choose your desired security level and confirm your selection by entering Delete. Step 3. The software will commence scanning and erasing according to the security level you have chosen. To eliminate system data and settings, conduct a manual factory reset on your POCO phone. When prompted, click Continue to confirm, and the tool will permanently remove all content from the POCO.